kids, today we will learn animals that start with the letter O, and I will also tell you some interesting facts about these animals. So let's begin. O for octopus. Octopuses are boneless and extremely flexible, allowing them to squeeze through very small spaces. They are masters of camouflage and can change their color and texture almost instantly. They can regrow their lost arms, which also have their own mini brains to help them move semi-independently. O for ostrich. Ostriches are the largest and heaviest birds on earth. They cannot fly, but they are the fastest running birds, reaching speeds of up to 60 to 70 kilometers per hour. Their legs are so strong that a single kick can kill a predator like a lion. Ostriches lay the largest eggs of any land animal. An ostrich egg is roughly equivalent to the weight of 24 chicken eggs. O for orangutan. Orangutans are highly intelligent and capable of using tools, solving problems, and even learn sign language in captivity. O for Okapi. Okapi is known as the forest giraffe and looks more like a cross between a deer and a zebra. Although they have zebra-like stripes on their legs, nevertheless, okapis are the giraffe's only living relatives. Kids, do you know an okapi calf is able to walk just 30 minutes after it is born? O for Ocelot. Ocelots are medium-sized spotted cats native to the Americas, often found in tropical forests and brushlands. They are known for their beautiful, unique coat patterns, their excellent swimming and climbing abilities, and their nocturnal habits. Each ocelot has a unique pattern of spots and stripes, like a fingerprint. For opossum. Opossums are marsupials like kangaroos and koalas, which means they carry their youngs in a pouch. When they feel threatened, opossums will play possum, which means they pretend to be dead. This can last for several minutes to a few hours and includes lying still, drooling, and emitting a foul odor. O for Orca. Another name for an orca is a killer whale. Despite their name, killer whales are not whales. They are the largest members of the dolphin family. Orcas are the apex predators. They have no natural enemies and hunt everything from fish and seals to sharks and even whales. O for owl. Owls are fascinating birds with many amazing traits. They are known for their big eyes, silent flight, and ability to turn their heads almost 270 degrees. Owls are also skilled hunters, often eating small animals like mice and rats. O for Oryx. An oryx is a distinctive antelope with long, straight, slender horns and lives in deserts and dry plains. They can go for long periods without drinking water. They get moisture from the plants they eat, perfect for desert life. O for Oriole. An oriole is a small, colorful songbird known for its bright orange, yellow, or black feathers and beautiful singing. I hope you kids enjoyed the video and learned some interesting facts about these animals. And see you in the next video. Bye!